Next, last one is very simple, which is bush small end. Okay, which is 19 diameter and 22 diameter. Two circle we can create, and 28 is the depth. Okay, so we can create here one part design. Create here one part design, which is one circle. 19 is the diameter. 19 diameter, and another circle which is 22 is the diameter, and then exit, and then here we can pad. Okay, pad it 28. Okay, so now this one is 28 is the dimension. So now that is called, that is simple thing, bush small end. Okay, bush small end. Okay, so everyone practice as per your time.